I would like to welcome our esteemed panel of honors which we have today. Our guest of honors would like to start with Mr. Shripad Naik, Minister of State and Tourism. Can we have the bouquet, please? Mr. Shripad Naik would be honored with Ahana. Ahana, can we have the bouquet for Mr. Shripad Naik, please? We also have with us today present Shri Vijay Sardesai. Thank you so much, Ahana. We also have with us today Mr. Vijay Sardesai. Can I request Vinoshka to kindly give away the flowers? Can we have a huge round of applause, please? We also have with us today present is Mr. Mineno D'Souza. Can we have the bouquet by Vanessa, please? Thank you, Vanessa. Our next guest of honor for today is Mr. Dominic Savio Fernandez. Can I request Sonam to kindly present the bouquet to Mr. Dominic Savio Fernandez? And audience, can we have a huge round of applause, please? Thank you so very much. Well, we are here today to launch a website that is India Live. Let me tell you what is Global Crafters. Global Crafter Limited is an entertainment group connecting with people to celebrate the diversity and cultural heritage of India in UK. Our vision is to enrich lives and positively impact communities by celebrating the colorful spirits of the region and its people. We are driven by the passion and commitment to give back the communities by supporting local charities in generous ways in UK as well as in India. Well, can I now invite our guests to kindly come ahead for the launch of the website that is India Live. Sir, can we have Mr. Shripad Naik, Mr. Vijay Sardesai, Mr. Menino D'Souza, Mr. Dominic Savio Fernandez, and Mr. Sucro Fernandez, the Director of Global Crafters. Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the screen. We are having the launch. Screen to be visible. Yeah, exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for the launch of India Live today. Thank you so very much, guys. As we all know, India is a very colorful country. All right. Thank you so very much, guests. Now we would like to call upon our guest of honors one by one on stage कि आप कुछ दो शब्द कहे हमारे guest के लिए दो शब्द बस हमारे guest के लिए to address our guest. So first I would like to call upon Mr. Shripad Naik, sir. The podium is all yours, sir.
Namaskar. Good evening to all dignitaries present for today's function. It is launch of India Live Together in UK. First of all, I thank you for inviting me for the website launch of this India Live Together in UK. The dignitaries present for this function, Mani Shri Vijay Sardesai ji, Shri Minino D'Souza, Director of Globe Crafters, Sri Sukur Fernandez, Royal Representative of the Royal Office of His Highness Sheikh Ahmad Kasmi ji, Sri Dominic Savio Fernandez ji, fellow journalist and respected guest. I was wondering what's this India Lab in all about by Globe Crafters, started by our Goan brothers in London. After going through carefully the idea Indians together in UK gave me the immense joy that India is being projected in UK through entertainment, tourism, cuisine, culture, and the most important, the achievements. That's how business potential work for all of us. Let me say directly that many times we are here only to at times criticize and the good things existing and created go unnoticed. And here we have the good example of Globe Crafters projecting the India in proper light, which we all should be proud of our supports the same. It's very rare that such things are being done. Indeed, it's a proud moment for all of Indians. I wish Global Crafters all the best, and best of encouragement should flow from all fronts for this wonderful project and cause. Once again, all the best to Globe Crafters, and thank you very much for this occasion. Thank you very much. Jai.
Thank you so very much, sir. Our next guest of honor is Mr. Vijay Sardesai. So can I request you to have a few words addressing our audience?
I think this is falling. I'll just use this. Okay. Honorable Union Minister of State for Tourism, our Goikar, Shripad Naik ji, Director of Tourism, Minino D'Souza, Mr. Dominic Savio Fernandez, my friend and director of Globe Crafters, Mr. Socorro Fernandez, the media and my dear friends. It gives me great pleasure to be present here today to unveil this website. I believe that the website promoted by Globe Crafters will promote India Live. India Live is an event which Indians in UK are intending to organize in July of 2022. Globe Crafters have chosen the Liberation Day of India's one of the most progressive states, the 60th Liberation Day of Goa, to launch this website. Being a Goan and having so many Goans in UK who are now the diaspora, whom we need to respect, whom we need to understand, whose hearts beat for Goa. I think the function of this website would not only be to promote culture, celebrate our diverse culture, but also promote business, promote tourism, and principally ensure that the opinions of the Goan diaspora are counted when it comes to promoting India and Goa abroad. I think that a unique opportunity that Goans get because of our very unique history, a history which is different than the rest of India. We have been liberated in 1961 when India got independence in 1947. We have got a distinct history, and by that distinct history, we also get a benefit of acquiring a Portuguese passport. And many Goans have done it to seek employment in the UK. So when you go to UK, you see so much of Goa. When you land in UK, you see more of Goa than you see on a Goan airport. So Heathrow has more Goa than Daboli when you compare the two airports. Such a big international airport like Heathrow sees more Goa in it than a small airport like Daboli. And when we have MOPA, I do hope that at least we can recreate Heathrow in MOPA. We see more Goans in MOPA than the other way around. So whilst promoting our culture, our distinct culture, Goa has got our cuisine which is different, our culture which is different, and I think today is a good day that Socorro has chosen to launch this website. I wish him all the very best, and I do hope that the government of India helps him promote India Live, like every Goan should help promote them, because there are enough Goans in England who have a right to an opinion as to how Goa is governed, as to how Goa is going to go forward, and as to how Goa and the next generation of Goans are going to take this state forward. For that, we need to promote our culture, promote tourism, promote our trade and enterprise, promote our distinct heritage, which includes, lot of our traditions, our food, our masalas, our business opportunity among the Indians in UK. And I do hope Globe Crafters all the very best on this unique and on their maiden attempt to promote and celebrate India's diverse cultural heritage. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much, sir, for this encouraging speech. I would now like to call upon Mr. Dominic Fernandez to kindly come upon and address the audience for today's evening. Mic is all yours, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Today is a very big day for Globe Crafters, but indeed it's a big day for all Goans also, as we are celebrating Liberation Day. It's a proud moment for me. Respected Member of the Parliament and Union Minister, State for Tourism, Shri Shripad Yesso Naik, former Deputy CM and MLA of Fatorda, Shri Vijay Sardesai, Director of Goa Tourism, Shri Menino D'Souza, Director of Globe Crafters, Shri Socorro Fernandez, Public Relation Associate of Globe Crafters Goa, Mr. Remy Rodriguez, and respected and distinguished guest of today. As I was introduced, Dominic Fernandez here by the host. Well, I am the royal representative of His Royal Highness Sheikh Hamad bin Faisal Al Qasmi, the ruler of Ras Al Khaimah, United Arab Emirates. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring greetings, recognition from His Royal Highness and support to India Life, a unique brand conceptualized by Globe Crafters, a group of Goan brothers in UK. As a royal representative and a Goan myself, I am proud to state that Ras Al Khaimah, Dubai and the surrounding areas, we have a total population of 80%, which comprises only of Indians. And over here, our Royal Highnesses are very pleased that Indians are contributing to the economy of His kingdom. This event, in turn, will not only bring the much needed revenue to India, but also make it a world destination for tourism. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me a great pleasure to announce on behalf of His Royal Highness, who has expressed his willingness and support officially for India Life globally and in UK. Indians are a force to rank on with all over the globe. And I comprehend Globe Crafters for having rightfully recognized this and proceeded on the right direction to showcase India in its highest glory and achievement. Once again, I wish Socorro and his team of Global Crafters all the very best and extend full support from His Royal Highness, and further state, if anyone wants any support in the UAE, I am here as an Indian, as a royal representative of His Highness. And lastly, I am proud not only to be a Goan, but an Indian. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so very much, sir. Well, जैसे कि आप सब जानते होंगे कि हमारा जो कंट्री है भारत यानी कि इंडिया, इसमें आपको भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के रंग दिखेंगे, कल्चर्स दिखेंगे, हेरिटेज साइट्स दिखेंगे आपको. वेल, इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा हम लोग जो मानते हैं या सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्पिंग हैंड जिसे कहते हैं वो है सिख कम्युनिटी. वेल, सिख कम्युनिटी के लिए आज हम लोगों ने एक स्पेशल फेलिसिटेशन किया हुआ है. जी हाँ, जिस समय पे हमें अपनों ने साथ नहीं दिया, ऐसी महामारी के समय यानी कि कोविड के समय, जिस समय हमारे खुद के अपने लोग हमारा साथ छोड़ दिए थे, उस समय पे आगे बढ़ के आए सिख कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स. I would like to call upon Mr. Remy Fernandez to kindly come upon and felicitate the Sikh community in Goa. Sir, the mic is all yours.
Thank you, Nishita. Member of Parliament and Minister of State for Tourism and Ports, Shipping and Waterways of India, Shri Shripad Naik, Shri Vijay Sardesai, former Deputy Chief Minister and MLA of Fatorda constituency, Director of Goa Tourism, Shri Menino D'Souza, Director of Globe Crafters, Socorro Fernandez, Royal Representative of the Royal Office of His Highness Sheikh Ahmed Qasmi, Shri Dominic Xavier Fernandez. Good evening to you all, ladies and gentlemen. I proudly stand before you all as a PR associate of India Live, and it's my duty, along with Globe Crafters team, to take India Live across the length and borders of India. I think enough PR and publicity is being already done, so it becomes a lesser burden for me. Thank you very much, all of you all. First an Indian and then a global citizen in print and in principle, and therefore the brand India Live is being crafted, curated, and created by Globe Crafters. It is in our endeavor to showcase India in the right perspective of a grand stage show, together with culture, cuisine, tourism potential, and above all, Indians together. I also stand in front of you all as a testimony to my fellow Indian brethren in the United Kingdom as United Indians serving the society in business, social welfare, culture, and above all, service to humanity. We have the Indian flag flying high over there. And it is that Mr. Socorro Fernandes and two other Gone brothers, Mr. Woodrow D'Souza and Sul Albuquerque, formed this company called Globe Crafters to project India together in UK, not just on the show stage, but off the stage in all spheres of life. As part of Globe Crafters, along with this director present here, Mr. Socorro Fernandes, I take pride in announcing a premier event called India Live at the prestigious SSE Wembley Arena in London in July 2022, 31st. With India's global performers. Off the stage, Indians are dominant in UK in various fields. One of the community in full force is the Sikh community, connected all over the world and Goa for their selfless work for different communities in times of need and for food, clothing, and shelter. And one prominent body of this wonderful Sikh community exists in Goa, housed in Betim Gurudwara, rendering selfless service continuously by providing shelter, food on a regular basis. They were very prominent during the tough COVID situation. Therefore, as a recognition, join me along with Director Socorro Fernandes on behalf of Globe Crafters and all present to honor by presenting shawl roses to these silent workers. Request Mr. Socorro Fernandes to honor Mr. Harvinder Singh, President of Sikh Community in Goa. Could we have Mr. Harvinder up front here, please? Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Harvinder Singh. Thank you very much. I call upon Mr. Rupinder Singh, the treasurer. There are three COVID warriors present over here. Mr. Vijay Singh, Devendra Singh, Gulab Singh, and Jaspreet Singh. These are the COVID warriors during the tough situation we had in Goa. Mr. Socorro, kindly do the honors by presenting them a rose. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Thank you very much. we are not finished yet. There's an award. There's an award in recognition of their efforts towards humanity. Thank you, all you lovely gentlemen. This was an initiative coming from Globe Crafters, initiated by its director, Socorro Fernandez. Now, Socorro Fernandez is one gentleman who believes in talking less and working more. He always works behind the scenes, where if small thing, you say it's not done by the evening, believe me, the full night he doesn't sleep. And that is the truth. Early morning he'll come and catch whoever responsibility is his throat. Anyway, I will just request Socorro at least to say 2 words or 2 lines or 2 pages. Your choice is your Socorro.
Welcome all my Indian brothers and sisters, those who are present here and those who are watching live in UK, Dubai, all over the world. We have an example here how we Indian live together. Mr. Sripad Naik and Vijay Sardesai, they are of the different party, but they are together now to promote this event. So it is nice to have you, sir, here. Vijay, sir, thank you for your support. Whenever I need a support to organize something, Vijay is always there. Sripad, Bahu, and myself, we used to work together long ago, about 10, 15 years ago. But still, whenever we are doing something, or our group is doing something, then always he is there with us. I thank you, sir. Respected friends, especially singing group, I really appreciate the work you all have done for Goa. I thank you. I was not here to accompany you, but since now I know you all, I will be there with you all. If any support is required from UK or from this show, whatever we are getting, we'll be helping you all with something. Always be with Goans here if any time is needed. Our vision, when blesses from the God, it becomes a mission. This is a mission, India Life. We have planned. We are only 3 people, Suil, myself, and Budro. Now so many people are around here. I feel each and everybody should take this mission now throughout the world. And this India Live not only will be in UK, every year it will go. He might go to US, Canada, or all over the world. So that we can bring all the Indians together. This is our motto. Every time when we plan, when we used to sit together, we used to always think what we can do our community. 16 lakhs Indians are in UK. So how to bring all together these people. We used to always think, and then suddenly we thought of this, and that time we remember you guys done whatever you could do. So we were thinking how to bring you all, how to highlight your. I know you all don't want this, all this, but still we were thinking like how to give you all the whatever we used to think, we used to sit and we used to plan how to honor these people who have done so much. I really thank you, and God will bless you abundantly. Lastly, I request only one from you all, people, those who are present here and those who are watching us, please pray for us. Rest everything, God will take care. God bless you all.
Thank you so very much. Very well said, sir. A vision with God's blessing definitely becomes a mission. Well, with this, we have come to the end of this event, that is the launch of today's website. Well, as they say, the night is still young. We have cocktail and dinner night waiting for you all, audience. And I'm really thankful for our esteemed panel of guests to be present today here. Thank you so very much for being such patient audience. Thank you so very much. Audience can continue with the dinner and cocktail night. Thank you so very much. This is Nishita Saxena signing off for today's evening.